That makes it more rust resistant, easier to use, easier to clean up. If you want to see all the other pieces in this series, they are right here. And any of these pieces, it's just like this skillet, 80 bucks. Normally we're selling for 25, but they've got all of these as well.
Okay.
And they are very nice, very easy to clean up, easy to take care of. If you've used the regular standard cast iron, you know it takes you a while to get it to where it's a piece of cake to clean and take care of. You got to do a couple more layers of seasoning. This you don't have to. It's it's almost rookie proof.
Okay.
Almost.
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 I don't know. I'm a little.
Now, to be honest, I would not trust the little square black handle pot holder because that's only temperature rated to 250 degrees. I use it to open bottles. That's it. Because 250 ain't much of nothing.
But it does come with that.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. And that is a good handle holder for that. It's just I didn't want you to trust the black one and end up getting burned.
Oh, yeah.
But the other one is really good.
It's heavy too.
Is it the
It's not
same
as-
diameter? Is it not
I think
as
it's the
deep?
same, maybe just a,
It's an inch off.
Inch off,
Cause,
yeah.
because that's an 11 and the
Not as deep.
pan you've got's a 12.
Okay.
And I don't know what the volume is on the 11 inch, but the 12 inch is a 2-quart. Just FYI. But I can look it up and find out what the volume is.
No, that's okay.
Here at the lodge, they also sell seconds. There might be just a slight imperfection to them, but all in all, they're just as great as the original, you know, the ones that they actually would sell at a full price. You can get some really good deals over here on the seconds. We have different pieces here of cast iron of the lodge from the seconds table. They're just as good as anything else. As you can see, they got all different types of cast iron for any type of purpose. Nothing like a cast iron. My grandma cooked with it. My mom, my aunts. I love a cast iron skillet. Nothing like putting cornbread in a cast iron skillet and putting it in the oven. That is so good. Best cornbread ever. Lodge has everything for a camper. Make some Texas chili over the fire tonight. Camp Dutch Oven Cooking 101. They got all of these. check this out. I seen some people at Quartzsite using those. They got all kinds of neat things. Campfire cooking with the cast iron. Chicken and waffles for supper. Chicken and waffles mix. Fried green tomato mix. Nashville hot style crispy fry mix. We're not into hot foods, but that does sound yummy. How about an onion saver? Look at that farm style butter dish. They got so many neat things here. I think I've decided what my purchase will be. I'm going to purchase the 11-inch rust resistant skillet for $25. Comes with these accessories. That's the one I'm getting. In the box you get 11-inch rust resistant cast iron skillet, silicone hot handle holder, that's this right here, and silicone trivet, and a book telling you how to keep your cast iron seasoned. As you can see, the silicone handle goes on and off. This is what I purchased at the lodge. Can't wait to use it. Be sure to check out the lodge cast iron cookware. Nothing like cooking on a cast iron over a campfire or anywhere. So be sure to check them out. And let me know in the comments if you cook with cast iron and what your favorite thing is to cook in them. You ought to check out the lodge here in Sevierville, Tennessee. They got one in Pigeon Forge. They got several locations, then also stores to sell their pieces. The lodge cast iron cookware. Even seen some at Cracker Barrel in different stores. So come check them out. But here at the lodge, here at this store, they sell seconds. And there just might be a slight imperfection. But they're cheaper, same good work, quality work, same everything. So check out the lodge cast iron cookware. They order online, they'll ship it to you. Can't beat that. So always remember, your next dream, your next adventure is just over the horizon. So let's get out and enjoy life and discover something that makes you happy. See you in the next video.